So now we can move on to the backrest, starting with this shaped crest rail on top. It requires tenons on the ends of the blank, and here's how I go about doing that. This crest rail blank is just too long and heavy to guide safely over a table saw. So to cut the 1.5-inch long tenons on the ends, I'm going to use a plunge router and a short piloted mortising bit. And to guide the router, I'm going to use this simple jig. It just wraps around the workpiece like a collar. The jig allows me to cut the tenon straight, square, and as long as I want it. By shifting the jig back a little at a time, clamping it in place, and making repeated shallow passes. The bit's bearing follows the jig's edges to cut the tenon shoulders. Aside from its ability to let you route tenons on really long workpieces, the other thing I really like about this jig is that it lines up the long shoulders of these tenons exactly because the jig does that automatically.